The elective surgery that I chose was eyelid surgery, and I chose that because I had very heavy eyelids that were droopy and made me feel older. I researched quite a bit. I was on the internet with help of my family, and I read an article. I read several articles about Dr. Parker, and I was so impressed. And I made an appointment to come and speak with them. And as soon as I met him, I just knew that he was the doctor that had to do surgery if I chose. Angela was the first person I met, and she was so informative. She showed a video to me and she explained the surgery in detail, and she was just I felt like I knew her for a very long time. And after that I went to an examining room where I met Dr. Parker, and it's all downhill from there. He was just fabulous. I met him and felt very comfortable with the whole process that I was about to undergo. From the moment you walk into the Parker Center, everyone from Angela to the nurses to the person that administered the anesthesia to myself, everyone was just so helpful and so nice and pleasant, and a first name basis, and I felt like I knew them for a very long time. They were wonderful. I was very concerned with the anesthesia, because I'm not a person that likes needles. But I felt extremely comfortable once I met the person, and they all just put me at ease. It was wonderful. Any questions that I may have had, they answered again and again and reassured me. So there was no question. By the time I was about to go under, there were no questions in my mind. I knew it was the right place and the right thing to do. The surgery went extremely well. And all of the things I was told that possibly could be with the swelling and the closing of the eyes and whatnot, that just didn't really happen. You know, it was slightly uncomfortable, but I was never in any pain. The staff, they called to check on me to make sure that I was doing well, and I would do it again. Everyone seems to notice that I look different. And they said, "What did you do?" And of course I won't tell, unless they knew. And my daughter, she thinks it's just the best thing I've ever done for myself. The surgeries just made me feel better about myself. I don't feel my age. I feel that that excess of skin that was over my eyes has been taken away, and I just feel lighter. I feel better about myself. Before I had surgery, I met with the staff in the spa, and they explained what would happen after the surgery, that I would go for different treatments, and that would make the healing process quicker. And after I had the surgery, I went for massages, and I had actually 3 massages, and it was fabulous. I didn't think, I'm not a big massage person, but it was fabulous. I would do it every week if I could. Actually, I have recommended it to 2 people that were considering doing eye surgery. They were a bit nervous about it and skeptical, and I said, it's the best thing you can do for yourself. And Dr. Parker is just the best surgeon that there is. He makes you feel very comfortable, and he's very soft-spoken and just a wonderful man. As soon as you shake his hand, you'll understand what I mean. He's just a wonderful person.